How to manage high quality image uploads on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage high quality image uploads on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and you will find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then click this one, accessibility, display and languages, and then click this one, data usage, and now all you need to do is just click here and then select anything you want, mobile data and Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi only or never, and let's select Wi-Fi only or something. And as you see, that's how manage high quality image uploads on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.